Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline of your sort you trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at that, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when you put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord where we're giving daily signals there. Yes, it's paid, you pay only $10 per month, but believe me, that $10 you're going to bucket only within one signal. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, today that the daily candle here it's finished and it gave us here a pin bar like how it happened here, exactly that day here. That man here, that level here, it's still very powerful. Today I've been all the whole day waiting to enter along. If you watch yesterday video, I tell you why. But now here in the daily, the Bitcoin it gave us here like a triangle here, as you see it, like that and like that. Now us we waiting if it's going to break here, we're going to enter long. If it's getting broke down here, we're going to enter short. Only thing here, that level here, you need to make it as a square like that, as you see it. Like that is going to be more accurate because that level here is very stronger level. So guys, be focused about that level here, what the market is going to do here. If it came Monday or Tuesday, we're going to see if it's going the market to confirm for us, because Saturday and Sunday the market is going to stay flat here at that level here. So we need to wait until Monday, then we're going to see if the market is going to give us here a double bottom or not. Because if the market gave us here a double bottom, we're going to see the Bitcoin jumping up till that level here. So for long term, just wait till we break in that trend line here, as you see it, and we go back, we're breaking that 200 moving average. I showed it to you before, let me show it to you again. We need to go back to break here, but today it happened something, guys. You see it or not? The 50 moving average is crossing the 100 moving average. That's something very bad. So till now also we're still in a downtrend. There is nothing changed. You need to remember that. Till now also we're still in a downtrend. The only thing, that level here, it's still very powerful. That level here, I'm drawing here, as you see it. Because I heard some people they criticizing me. They said, why you say here? Why you don't say the level? The level is it at 25,494, as you see it. 25,449.78. But that level, may I give it to you here? If you go now to Binance, it will not be there. In Binance, it will be here. If you go to Bybit, maybe you're going to find it here. If you go to Bitfinex, you're going to find it different. That way, me, I told you to do it like that. So you, when I told you that level here, you go to your broker, then you do it. So everything is too clear, guys, here. Another thing very important here. You remember last week, Friday, like today, what else we said? We put in that two levels here, and we said the Bitcoin is going to stay between them. We said 29,500, and we set down at 24k, and exactly the Bitcoin staying there. So those was for the options. Over here the calls, and over here the puts. So our analysis is still perfect, guys. We're making those ones here for a weekly, and that exactly those ones they be in here from last Friday, and they showing to us exactly the Bitcoin is staying between them. Now let's go into draw for that week to show you exactly where the Bitcoin is going to go that week. So let's go into the page web. Here we are, that the page we also using to drawing those levels together. Now here we started as every time in the money here, as you see it. Then also we try to find for the pots, then we find for the calls. Now let's find it for the pots first. We got at that level here, very high pots here at 25k, but we got even calls, so we'll avoid that level here. As you see, guys, we found the level which is here at 24k. We got the pots here 116 Bitcoin. The calls is 0. That 116 Bitcoin Bitcoin is a lot of money, guys. As you see it, is about $2.99 million. So even that one is very, very high volume here at 24k. So that only for one broker. You need to remember that. Now let's find in for the calls. For the calls, guys, as you see it, we found a level here at 28,500. As you see it, the pots here are 0. The calls here is 210 Bitcoin. So now we got two levels. For the calls, 28,500. For the pots is 24k. Now let's go into the chart to draw in the two levels together. Here we are. Over here, the first level we said 28,500 like that. Then we click at OK. As you see, it falls down more and down 24k where it is now. So those people, the view of them, the Bitcoin is going to stay another week here, and they drawing those ones more down. As you see it, they make it more lower. That means the Bitcoin is going to stay another week here sideways, guys. So be careful. Don't follow anyone he told you something like that. Bitcoin is going to stay here sideways. Yes, for scalping we can catch in small moves, but here we're going to see the Bitcoin is staying here sideways. That's what those options they saying, and those people, they know what they're doing. They are not amateurs. Them, the view of them, the Bitcoin, it will not go back to break that level here or that level here, and down here it will not break 24k. So the top level at 28,500, down 24k. Remember those things? So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours for swing trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. By the way, yes, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't? Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up. Yes, without you and the other it can growing up. So please go ahead and do it. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. Here, guys, I told you in the 4 hours the Bitcoin is going to continue more down, and that's what's happened here. The only thing now, there is no power to breaking that level here. As you see it, I'm saying level, you go to the chart and do it like that. You see it how I do it or not? By the way, if you want to learn how to draw supply and demand zone and those things, we got a course. Is it down? His name is Technical Analysis. Go there. It's going to teach you all those things if you want to learn by yourself. Here in the 4 hours, we got that trend line here, that one will push the Bitcoin to fall down to that level where we are, and down here we got that level here as you see it. Now also what we need to do, we need to wait the Bitcoin where it's going to break. If we're breaking above here, you can enter long. By the way, that one is not the daily, that one here in the 4 hours, the daily is up here. So if we're breaking here, that level here, you can enter long. If we're breaking down here, you can enter short, guys. Remember that, because our indicator, it hasn't touched yet the oversold area, and that here we don't got any price action telling us the market is going to reverse. You need to remember those things, what I'm telling you, very, 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 very well. Like last time, we used to have here a double bottom. It's getting broke. Yes, that candle, it came with big power. But now here we don't got any price action. It's telling us we need to enter long, guys. Remember those things very, 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 very well. We need to wait until the market gave us a price action. And the market is going to stay sideways today and tomorrow. Till Monday, then also we're going to make a decision based on that. So everything is too clear. Now we're going to see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, we being here at the overbought area. We fall down, look where we are. Me being hoping today is going to touch the oversold area, but it doesn't. So me, I'm still waiting till it will touching down here. When it's going to touch the oversold area, I'm going to give it as a signal to buy in our Telegram and in our Discord. That way, me every time I told you to join us there if you want to benefit in exactly when to enter, where to put stop loss, where to put the take profit. You can join us in Telegram and Discord. But it's up to you. Here in the 4 hours, as we still in a downtrend. That's it. Only bears were controlling. There is no bulls. Should we enter long now? Not yet. Till it will touch in here oversold area, because also we coming from overbought area. Maybe we're going to see a correction or something, also we will still wait until it will touch in the oversold area. Then after that we're going to enter long. Remember those things what I'm telling you guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator of the chain. That one here, is it very close to oversold area? Should we enter long? No, me personally I think there is more deep. It's going to fall down till it's going to trigger for us that long as we got in the daily. If you haven't watched in yesterday video, go back and watch it, because some people they asking me should I buy now? Watch yesterday video. It's going to tell you exactly where they are my pending orders, and you can follow me if you want. But at this time there is nothing yet, because we wait until that one here touch the oversold area, and here came and breaking up that trend line here for us to enter long. Because as I told you just now in the 4 hours, I told you we got here a very clear triangle, guys. You see it or no? So you waiting that one here down to enter to oversold area, and I want to break here for you to enter more long. Everything is too clear, guys. Here now it's going to 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Why me? I'm still believing the Bitcoin is going to fall down. Yes, I got a divergence here in 30 minutes and everything, but me, I'm still believing the Bitcoin is going to fall down. Look at it. You see here what I'm going to draw here. A very clear flag, guys. A very clear flag. If that flag here getting broke here in the top, as I've been teaching you, also we're going to enter along. That's it. And the take profit of us is going to be here in the top. If it's not, and that one fall down and breaking down here, that means it's going to fall down more than that. Let's see our indicator to show you that divergence me I'm talking about. Look at it here. You see here that the divergence me I'm talking about. You see it or no? If you came and you do it like that, and you came and you do it like that, very clear divergence. Should we enter long? If the Bitcoin came and breaking here, the trend line here, yes, we can enter long. If it's not and fall down, that one at the end of the day, just an oscillator, and maybe it's going to touch here, that level here, then after that it will fall down again. That way, me, I told you, as we follow price action, guys. So everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.